Hello everyone, I'm Iwan and today we will dive deep into the world of digital asset management. By the end of our conversation, you will understand the revolution this field has brought to the world of finance and how you can be part of it. Before we set sail, do me a small favor. If you find the content valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's foster a community of knowledge and growth. Alright, let's get started. Now that's a term that might sound a bit grandiose, but it truly represents a shift happening right under our noses. What was once the playground for only the most affluent and well-connected, finance is now becoming accessible to everyone, everywhere, thanks to the marvel of technology. You might be wondering, how did we get there? It's a dance between innovation and necessity. With the globalization and the digital age, there arose a need for more inclusive financial systems. Systems that aren't confined to borders, that are resilient and adaptive. Enter digital assets management. At its core is the art and science of managing digital assets. Cryptocurrencies, tokens, and other digital securities. It has allowed individuals like you and me to take control of our finances without the traditional barriers. And when we speak of such innovations, it's impossible not to mention the role of AI and blockchain. Take our team at AiNiffler, for example. We hail from various parts of the world: France, Singapore, Taiwan, Hong Kong. Our diverse backgrounds offer a global perspective, but our shared goal is singular: to provide individuals with a stable, safe, and professional avenue to grow their digital assets. Now, some of you might be thinking, this sounds incredible, but how AI and blockchain make this possible? Great question. AI, or artificial intelligence, has this remarkable ability to process vast amounts of data in mere moments, offering insights and making decisions based on patterns it identifies. This capability ensures that digital assets are managed efficiently and smartly. As for blockchain, think of it as the backbone. It provides the security, transparency, and trustworthiness that's crucial for digital transactions. Every transaction is recorded, verified, and stored in the decentralized way. This means there is no single point of failure and therefore an inherent level of security. But with the vast opportunities come challenges. It's essential to have a trustworthy partner on this journey, one that values customer centricity, professionalism, and innovation. And that's where AiNiffler stands out. Our commitment is not just words. We've secured strategic partnerships and compliance licenses that validates our standing in the industry. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, understanding digital asset management is crucial. It's not merely about knowing the latest trends, but about understanding the why and the how. Tell me, have you ever tried managing digital assets before? Do share your experiences in the comments. I genuinely value and learn from your insights. Now, as we embark on this journey together, I invite you to stay curious. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Moving on, let's dive into the intricacy of digital asset management, and I promise to keep it jargon-free and accessible. Knowledge is power, but only when shared and understood. You know, one of the most beautiful aspects of digital asset management is its democratizing potential. Gone are the days when high-profile bankers and towering skyscrapers were the gatekeeper of wealth. Today, with the right tools and a touch of guidance, anyone can embark on their financial journey. Think about it. Digital assets aren't bound by geographical borders. A trader in Taipei can seamlessly transact with anyone in Toulouse. And this is only possible because of the technological marvels we are discussing. Yet, with great power comes great responsibility. The digital realm, while promising, can be a labyrinth for the uninitiated. There are potential pitfalls, misinformation, and let's face it, not all players in the market prioritize your best interest. But fear not, that's precisely why we are having this conversation. Understanding is the first step towards mastery. And with platforms like AiNiffler, you're never alone in your journey. Our core values ensure that we prioritize you, our community, above all. Now, when diving into the world of digital assets, there are a few fundamental principles to grasp. Let's begin with diversification. It's like traditional investments, it's never wise to put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your assets minimizes risks and paves the way for more stable returns. Next, always stay informed. The digital world is ever evolving. What's trending today might be obsolete tomorrow. And that's one of the reasons we are fostering this community. We learn, grow, and evolve together. Then there is security. Digital doesn't mean invincible. Employing robust security measures, multi-factor authentication, and regularly updating your software can mean the difference between thriving and falling victim to malicious threats. Sounds overwhelming? I understand. But remember, every expert was once a beginner. And you have something many of us didn't when we started, a community. Resources and platforms that are designed for user experience in mind. That's another aspect where AiNiffler shines. We are not just a platform, we are a community. We believe in empowering our users with knowledge, tools, and resources. Every feature, every update, every piece of content we produce is in line with our mission to make digital asset management approachable and rewarding. By now, some of you might be wondering about the future. Where is all this leading? Well, the horizon looks promising. As technologies mature and more people become digitally literate, we are bound to witness even more innovations. The fusion of AI and blockchain itself holds immense potential, much of which remains untapped. Imagine a world where financial decisions, big or small, are backed by in-depth data analysis done in real time, ensuring that your assets are always positioned for optimal growth. A world where transactions are instantaneous, transparent, and secure. It's not a distant dream, but a foreseeable future. So as we wrap up this section, I do love to hear your thoughts. What excites you the most about digital asset management? Any apprehensions or challenges you'd like us to address in future videos? Drop them in the comments. Your input shapes our content, and together we elevate our collective understanding. Alright, as we delve deeper, it's essential to touch upon the social economic implications of digital asset management. It's not just about personal wealth creation, but about how we, collectively, can reshape the financial landscape of our societies. Consider this. According to studies, a significant portion of the global population remains unbanked. That means no access to savings accounts, no credit, and no formal financial services. Now imagine the transformative power of digital assets in such scenario. Through their decentralized nature, we have an opportunity to provide financial access to millions. This isn't just about democratizing finance on a personal level, but on a global scale. And that, dear viewers, is the power and promise of digital assets. However, with such possibilities also comes challenges. Regulations, for instance, are still catching up in many parts of the world. While digital assets offer freedom, it's essential to operate within the legal frameworks of your region. Here at AiNiffler, we've always been proactive in aligning with regulatory bodies, securing necessary licenses, and ensuring that our operations are above board. Because trust and legitimacy are paramount in this space. And speaking of trust, let's talk about one of the most buzzed about terms in our industry: decentralization. At its core, decentralization means the distribution of functions and power away from a central authority. In terms of digital assets, it implies that no single entity controls the network. It's the community, the users, who have the power. The implications are profound. It means reduced chances of censorship, high levels of transparency, and a system that's tough to tamper with. But it also means individual responsibility. With power comes the need for informed decision making. Remember, each one of you as a part of this community has a role to play. The questions you ask, the knowledge you share, the decisions you make shape the future of digital asset management. And that's an accelerating responsibility to shoulder, don't you think? Now, as we are nearing the end of our session, let's touch upon something vital: education. While platforms like AiNiffler aim to simplify and streamline the process, it's crucial for users to continually educate themselves. New trends, technologies, and strategies emerge regularly, and staying updated is the best way to ensure that your assets are managed optimally. Digital asset management is not a passive endeavor. It's dynamic, exciting, and ever-evolving. And in this dance of numbers, algorithms, and insights, one thing remains constant: the value of genuine, trusted partnerships. As we at AiNiffler continue our journey, our promise to you is simple. We will stay at the forefront of innovation, always prioritize your needs, and foster a community where knowledge and collaboration thrive. So here is a call to action for all of you. Share this video with friends and family who could benefit from it. The more we grow our community, the richer our collective knowledge becomes. And of course, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey. I do love to see your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments below. Remember, this channel is as much yours as it is ours. With that, I do like to thank you for joining me today. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and let's shape the future of finance together.